Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is a requested video. One of you reached out to me in the comment section for me to do the details of this hair that I will be showing as I'm speaking. When I first did the hair, I thought of sharing the details with you, but I thought, having said that, I shared it on my Facebook, and I'm going to put the step-by-step guide also in the description box below. Ensure to read it through, and hopefully you get more insight from exactly how we achieve the look. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. So there were two phases to the look, if I can use that word. I first did the hair straight, then I went back to my hairdresser to coil it. So the hair I used is this Mali braids. Some of you call it Mali braids and some of you call it crochet braids. And this one is from the brand called X-Pression. I actually would get this one from Nigeria. And this is what the packaging looks like. It is by X-Pression. For this particular hair, I used 2 bundles to finish the entire head. So what they do is they put my hair in cornrows like this, exactly like I have it on, and they go ahead to separate the hair. So they cut in half, like into 2, like this, and this one right here is the untwisted version of the hair. So she cut into 2 and then untwist it. Once she did the untwisting, she went ahead to use the crochet pin and she started using it under my hair. So we did the entire head, and this is exactly what it looks like. For 2 weeks and I went back. So what she did in that case, she actually took the hair in bits and twisted it like this. Then she used acrylic rope to kind of tie it around, and she pushed it all the way to the top. Then she dipped it inside boiled water, and that was how we achieved all that curls. It's the same hair, you use this Mali hair to achieve it. So she twisted it, she dipped it inside hot water, she left it for about 5 minutes, and she untwisted the acrylic rope out of it. And that was how we achieved that curly look. So I will put in the description box exactly what I did. Please read it through. Most importantly, she used this Mali braids, she used 2 packs for me. So I believe you can get this on Amazon. If you live in Nigeria, it's so easy for you to get them, alright? And that is the detail of this hair one of you asked me to share. I just want to say thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll speak to you soon on my next video.